just on a casual walk. Austin, England. Very much the patina look. Warning seats, very nice. Also, what I've noticed, there's a Morris Ital van and another few cars there, which I'm not too sure what they are, but let's have a little walk around. It's quite interesting sometimes, you know, just take a casual walk but appreciate the classic cars. There's the Morris Ital van there, look. I haven't seen them in years. I remember BT used to use them. Used to drive around in like a yellowy, creamy colour. Got this one here. Got another one there. Not too sure what model these are, but I'm sure someone can fill me in the comments below, the models. Wow, don't see this every day.